Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to turn on lift to check phone feature in Google Pixel 7a. That means rise to wake up. If you pick your phone, your screen will be wake. So how to do that is very simple. You can see here, this is my phone. Currently it is turned off and lifting. There is no light is coming, no wake up. So how to do that? It is very simple. Just opening my phone. Okay. After that, go to menu, just swipe up the screen for that, then go to settings and swipe up the screen, then select system, then select gestures. You can see here gestures. Okay, then click on lift to check phone. Currently it is turned off. Click on that button to turn on, and you can see here how does it work. There is an animation. If you pick up like this, the screen will be turned on. So we are currently turn on the rise to wake up or lift the phone check option in Google Pixel 7a. Now we are testing. I'm locked my phone and just take my phone and not like that, straight one. So it is vacant. So this is working, and that's guys very simple. And sometimes if you take your phone and you're walking like this, your screen is upside, it will be automatically turn on turn off lights. So if you have any problem with that, you can turn off the settings from here. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.